Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue in Windows 11 where Valorant is not working. So all you have to do is just simply right click on your Valorant shortcut, then go to open file location, then over here you will find a Riot client service. So just simply right click on it, then click on properties. Now open the compatibility tab, and over here you will find compatibility mode. Just simply check this box and you will find a drop down menu. Just simply open it and you will find multiple windows over here. Just simply choose the latest version of the Windows available for you. So for me it is 8, it might be 10 or 11 for you, so just simply choose the latest version, then click on it, then hit apply, then hit OK. Now the next thing that you have to do is just simply restart your computer and open your boot menu. For opening the boot menu you can just simply tap and delete F12, F9 or F2. Any of the key may work for you. So just simply find out what is the BIOS key for your particular motherboard and just simply open it. Now after you are in your BIOS, just simply go to your BIOS settings. Then over there you will find secure boot. Then just simply enable the secure boot. And after doing that, just simply go to save and exit, and over there just simply click on save and exit and save and exit from the setup. And that's it. After you are back in your Windows, the issue should most probably be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.